you. Haha. I'm taller. I'm taller, Mama.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm taller.
What are we doing today?
We're making a chapati.
What chapati?
We are making normal chapati.
Can you take this fork and mash it? Put it like,
Yeah.
do like that.
Okay. Yes. It's stuck and I can't do it.
You have to try.
It's stuck in. I didn't wash my hands.
Go wash your hands and come back. Go.
Okay. This.
Mash.
I can't do this.
You keep
Too
trying.
hard.
I'll give all the potatoes and I'll help you.
I'm trying to break it. I can't.
Maybe.
I can't do it, Mom. I tried my best.
You tried your best.
I
Now you
can't
wanna
do
it?
it.
You wanna get up? Get off.
But I
Go give Daddy high
can't do
five.
it.
Go do
I
give high
can't
five
do
to Daddy.
it. It's too hard. I tried my best.
I'll mash half and give you and you do the remaining, okay?
But do the big one.
Yep, I did
Okay.
the big one.
Hey, stop! This is too for me. I did it. Go!
No shouting.
Got it.
Mash it.
Mash which one?
Everything. Mix it. Keep mixing it.
Mix it?
Yep.
I can't mix with the fork.
You can.
How can I mix with the fork? Should I do this? Did you say I want you to let me do this? Oh, I thought I need to smash it. I need to do this. A little like this and do this. This is, you need to peel that.
I peeled it.
But you need to smash that. You need to do this. Do this harder. I can't do this. I can't smash it. I told you it can't. I can't splash it.
Okay, I will come and help you. Give me a second.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Can you sing again from starting? From the beginning?
Do you want to build a snowman? We can. It comes. Do you want to build a snowman? It sounds like play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like on the way. We bad buddies, and now you're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Go away, Anna. Okay, bye. Do you want to build a snowman? We can run like a house. I think some companies over there. I'm starting pictures on the wall. Hey, little one, it gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching me hours step by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where is.
Where you've been.
There you've been.
They say have courage. I'm trying to.
And there was the courage. I'm trying to. I'm right over here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are Do you want to build a snowman?
Doesn't have to be a snowman.
No.
Oh, okay, bye.
Cancel
Okay,
the
cancel,
okay,
cancel.
bye.
Yeah.
Cancel the okay, bye.
Okay, cancel.
Okay, cancel. Cancel the okay, cancel.
Okay, cancel.
Okay, cancel.
Yes, now put some
Put some what?
stuff into that. Can you keep mixing? Keep mixing.
Okay. I will put that. I will put that.
Okay.
I will put those. I'll put that. Yeah. Let's take the fork off. Let's take that. Put it right there. Take that.
Wait. I will give you.
Okay. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Careful, okay? That's chili powder.
Okay. There. Give it to me. It's a lot of things from here.
Put little.
Put it.
Done? Good job.
Dear, I did it all. At my hand.
No, take this whole thing and put it in that.
Okay.
That's it. Mix it.
That's it. Take the spoon. You need some spoon. Do this. For 1 minute, please. Touch it. It's alugada. 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 Leave it alone. Leave it alone. I don't want it right here. If you want water, let me know. I will bring it. Put it right there.
Put little more water.
More?
Yeah.
Little?
Little.
1 drop. 1 drop. Is there more?
Yeah. I want more.
Okay. Don't put. Take your hand off. Take your hand off. And I will put it.
Enough.
I'm doing a good job, right?
Yeah. You're doing a great job. What are you?
Where are you looking at my phone? Don't look at me. It's being silly. Why are you looking at me? Stop! What? Why are you still looking at me?
Look at it, girl. Looking at.
No more?
No. Wait.
More? No?
Wait. I will tell you when I want.
Okay. No? No?
No.
No?
No. Okay, count 1 to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
That's it. Give me more water. Put in my hand. Don't put it down. Enough. That's too much.
Just a little bit, 1 drop.
No, that's too much. I had to remove it.
1
No
drop.
more. No.
Okay. Now do you need more?
No more. Or it will become liquidy.
Just a little bit.
No.
No! I will do it so
Why are you shouting?
I will be shouting every day. Then you will be no. I will hit you.
You'll hit me?
Yeah.
Why?
But you're making me harder to work. 25. I love 25. I love 25. Mom, and tomorrow I'll show you which snack I want. Okay?
What snack do you want?
I'll just bring the card down here. Just to do this like this. I want to show you. Look at the picture. water.
Mhm.
I want I want pasta.
Saturday is pasta day, not today, tomorrow.
No, I want pasta. I want pasta tomorrow.
I'll make it on Saturday.
Mom, do it in tomorrow in the morning. Don't do it in the Saturday. In the Saturday, I'm going to Cinco in the Saturday and next week.
Yes, you are.
This is next week, right?
No, the next week is next week. This is this week.
And the Sunday, it's next week, right?
Oh yeah. After Sunday, it's next week.
After tomorrow, it's next week, right?
No. Tomorrow is also this week.
After tomorrow, after Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, and it's that, right?
Yep.
After Tuesday and Monday. We are close to next week.
Oh no, we just started this week. It's Monday.
No, we didn't.
This is still Monday. Tell me
Yes.
the week's days of the week.
This is the week. This is the week. This is the week. This is the week. This is the week. Sunday and the Monday and the Tuesday. Can I go, Bill?
Yeah.
Sunday and the Monday and the Tuesday and the Wednesday and the Thursday and the Friday and then the Saturday. This much?
Yeah, enough.
This is the week. This is the week. This is the week. This is the week. This is the week.